already. Last section, trigonometry, (30° and 60° values discussion completed. Now today in this section, trigonometry 45°. In this section, what are the values of the 45°? That discussion will explain. For suppose, take isosceles triangle. Of course, isosceles right angle triangle if you take, that is if you take ABC is a isosceles right angle triangle if you consider, that means at angle B 90° and angle A 45° and angle C also 45° if you take, you know that in isosceles triangle angles are equal, then opposite sides are also equal. Use that property. Let BC equal to A units if you take, automatically whenever BC value A units, then automatically AB also A units. Angles are equal, then opposite sides are also equal. Now in triangle ABC, you know that already, hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. That means A square plus A square, AC square equal to A square plus A square, 2A square. Now AC equal to root 2A units. That means hypotenuse will be root 2A units. Otherwise, already in lower standards you learn in isosceles right angle triangle, sides are in the ratio 1:1 root 2. It is the property in isosceles triangle 1:1 root 2. Use that property also. Now take the trigonometric ratios. For suppose sin 45°. Sin 45°. Either A you take or C you take, no problem at all. For suppose I am taking A, sin 45. How to will write? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse sense AC, that equal to BC A by AC root 2A. AA get cancelled, that equal to 1 by root 2. Same manner if you take cos 45°, that equal to cos 45. Here also I am taking A. What is the formula? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. AB A units, hypotenuse root 2A. AA cancel, that equal to 1 by root 2. Same manner, tan 45°, sin 45 by cos 45, that equal to 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2, that equal to 1. Same manner, if you take cosecant 45°, you know that last class already explained, reciprocal of the sin 45, that means root 2. Secant 45°, that equal to reciprocal of the cos, that means root 2. Tan, that means cot 45° equal to cos 45 degrees equal to reciprocal of the tan 45 degrees, that equal to 1. Once again I am explaining. Trigonometric values of the angle 45 degrees. You take one isosceles right angle triangle. If you take, then sides BC and AB will be equal. BC and AB are equal. If you take A units, then if you take hypotenuse root 2A units, then sin 45 means either this 45 or this 45. If you take, then opposite side by hypotenuse A by root 2A, cos 45 adjacent side by hypotenuse same 1 by root 2, tan 45 equal to, that value will be A by A, that equal to 1. Already you know that values sin 0, sin 30, 45 degrees, sin 60, sin 90. Now based upon the angles, here one question given. Once you observe this question, what can you say about the values of sin A cos A as the value of angle A increases from 0 to 90 degrees? What is the question meaning? If you take angles 0 to 90 degrees, for suppose A is greater than or equal to B, then sin A is greater than or equal to sin B. Is it true? If A greater than or equal to B, then cos A is greater than or equal to cos B. Is it true? Discuss. Now this question discussion before, take the one small table. That means values of the trigonometrical table. Small table if you take 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. Now, first if you consider sine. What is the sine 0? 0. Sine 30, 1 by 2. Sine 45, 1 by root 2. Sine 60, root 3 by 2. Sine 90, 1. Here question will be increases. A angle will be more than B. That means calculation purpose simplified. 0 means 0. 1 by 2 means 0.5. 1 by root 2 easily understood manner. Rationalization if you do it. That equal to root 2 by 2. That equal to 1.414 by 2. That equal to 0.707. Means 1 by root 2 value will be 0.707. Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 means root 3 value 1.732 by 2. That equal to 0.866. So sin 60 value how much it means? 0.866. Now sin 90 value will be 1. Same manner if you take cos values, sin 0, cos 90 both are same. So here 1. Now cos 30 0.866, cos 45 0.707, cos 60 0.5, cos 90 0 degrees. Now come to the first condition. A is greater than or equal to B. For suppose A, if you take 30 degrees, B will be 0 degrees. Then in the case of sine, for suppose A equal to 30 degrees and B equal to 0 degrees. Now A is greater than or equal to B case if you take, that means sin 30 degrees greater than or equal to sin B. Sin B means sin 0. That means sin 30 value how much? 0.5 is greater than or equal to sin 0. 0. Now 0.5 is greater than or equal to 0. It is true or false? True. Same situation if you apply in the second case. A is greater than or equal to B. For suppose same second question. A equal to 30 degrees and B equal to 0 degrees. Same condition I am taking. A greater than or equal to B condition only I am taking. But cos I am comparing. Cos A means 30 degrees greater than or equal to cos B. Cos B means cos 0. Now cos 30. Cos 30 means value how much? 0.866 greater than or equal to cos 0. Cos 0 how much? 1. Once you observe in this case 0.866 greater than or equal to 1, it will be true or false? False. So finally what is the conclusion there means? What is the conclusion there means? Here angles will be increasing, then sine values will be increasing. Sine values will be increasing. So case 1 will be true. Same situation, here the angles are increasing, but in the cos situation, what happened? 1, 0.866, 0.707, 0.5, 0 degrees. That means angles are in the increasing order, but values are in the decreasing in the position of the cos. So case 2 will be false. Case 2 will be false. Finally, in this notation, what you understand the concept there means between 0 to 90 degrees, it is the very important because 0 to 90 means first quadrant. 0 to 90 degrees that means for first quadrant. So in first quadrant, angles are in the increasing, sine values will be increased. At the same way, in first quadrant, angles are increasing, cos values will be decreasing. Thank you. If you like this video, comment and share to the others. Thank you.
And also subscribe.
And also